Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to remove devices connected to your Instagram account. So first, open your Instagram app and click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the page. Here, tap on the hamburg menu at the top right corner. After that, click on Account Center. Here, under Account Settings, click on Password and Security. You will see where you're logged in under Security Checks. Click on it. You will see all the devices your account is logged in. If you have the devices that is suspicious or device that is not your, then click on it. Click on the select devices to log out and click on the device that you want to log out from and click on log out at the end. Here you can also see the suspicious logins of your account. At the top, you will see we detected unrecognized logins. Click on review devices and you'll be navigated to this page. You just need to click on this wasn't me. While it's being logged out from the device, you'll be prompted to change the password of your Instagram account to make it secured. And that's it. This is how you remove devices connected to your Instagram account. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.